In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your Temu account. You can simply deactivate your Temu account permanently in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Temu app. Tap on this U icon right here. On this page, scroll on to the option of Settings. On the Settings page, tap right here on Account Security. You will have to scroll and select the last option of Delete your Temu account. To delete your Temu account, all your data and content will be permanently deleted and can't be recovered. Select this option right here. Tap on Continue. Your Temu account will get deleted successfully. That's how easy it is to permanently delete your Temu account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.